Hey everyone, here at Joe's Bikes we have this 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. This bike is incredible. It's basically like brand new. There's under 500 miles on it. Cosmetically, it is flawless. Barely ridden. Never tracked. Just a super nice bike. I'm going to try to do this video to give you an idea of the condition. It might be tough to see in the video, but there's just such a nice bike here. This is a factory edition, so it does have all-in suspension. Of course, Brembo ABS brakes. Has this aftermarket Leo Vinci exhaust. Unbelievable bike here. Exhaust sounds awesome. Definitely loud. Sporty. As you can see here, it has 449 miles. Hopefully you can see that. Kind of scroll through some of this here. Traction control and wheelie control. All your adjustable modes, your ASC, your AEM, your AEB, your ABS, and your ALC. Also has different ride modes. You get Sport, User, which is fully customizable, your Tour, back to Sport. So let's fire this up. Does have Bluetooth connectivity to your phone as well. These bikes are just top of the market on these. See here the awesome LED front end. Those are just your running lights. As you can see in the background, we are a motorcycle dealer, but we don't charge dealer fees. So let us know.